Hey, in this video, I will show you how to create an Apple ID without a credit card on your iPhone. Actually, on any iPhone, and I've updated this method for 2021 because I've seen some videos and the method they show don't really work. And I want to make it very, very simple. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, make sure you go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions while you are watching this video, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out there. I'm trying to reply to as many comments as I can. And by the way, comment down below which country are you watching this video from. I'm curious to know where you guys and girls are from. It's fascinating that we're building a community just like this. So what you want to do is actually open up Safari or Google Chrome or whatever and go to appleid.apple.com if you've already signed in with some Apple ID. For example, most people want to create a new Apple ID to access games in another country, for example. So you just want to go here, go down, click on create your Apple ID in the bottom. When it loads up, you want to type in your first name, last name, country, email, password, phone number. If you don't have a phone number, you can a second phone number. You can actually use Google Voice. It's free to get a phone number there, and then just click on continue. After that, you want to go back and actually go to your home screen on your Apple device and click on settings. When settings loads up, you want to click on your name, or it will say sign in here at the top, and you want to, or you want to go down, click on sign out, and then just log in with your new Apple ID. Then when you did that, you want to click on payment and shipping, and instead of adding a card, you can click on add payment method, and you can add your mobile phone or an PayPal account. I really hope this video helped you out. This is the idea of the video. I want to make super helpful tutorials for you guys, and I upload over 100 videos just like this per week for your value. I want to see you in one of the next videos, so subscribe